Previously on 3D print therapy.
If you're into mechs as much as I am, let me know in the comments. Which iconic robot should I 3D print next? Gundam Armored Core, or maybe something original? Pacific Rim was badass. The Jaegers moved like real machines, heavy, powerful. Every step felt like it had weight. And those arm blades, straight up savage. I bought the detailed Gipsy Danger model from Gambody.com, but the chest turbine didn't move, so I did a quick mod with a small bearing, and now it spins just like in the movie. Looks way more legit. This is my first real attempt at painting a model, so go easy on me. I'm basically winging it with some acrylics, a couple markers, and a few Vallejo washes I barely know how to use. I know you're supposed to put primer on first, but the filament color turned out to be the perfect Gipsy Danger blue. So I'm skipping that step and pretending it was all part of my expert level strategy. Hey, gotta start somewhere, right? Wish me luck. Or at least laugh quietly while I try to figure out how not to ruin this thing. I've been experimenting with blending my paints and washes to get the right consistency. The goal is to darken things up and give the model that gritty, battle-worn look. I recently picked up some acrylic brush pens from Amazon, and honestly, they've been a game changer compared to the metallic markers I started with. I'm using the silver and gold ones to bring out the metal edges and add some scuff marks, trying to give Gipsy that worn, battle-tested look without making it look like it fell down a flight of stairs. Painting with marker pens has actually been kind of therapeutic. I'm trying to paint thin streaks and edge details, and it forces me to really slow down and focus. There's something calming about it, like for a while it's just me, the model, and the pen. No stress, no noise, just trying not to mess up a tiny line on a giant robot's armor. It was around this stage of painting that I stumbled onto a better technique. Rubbing the side of the pen instead of using the tip gave a way more natural, scuffed metal look on the edges. Totally accidental discovery, but hey, some of the best techniques happen when you're just trying not to ruin the paint job. At this point, I'm basically inventing happy little scratches, like a mech building Bob Ross. If you're into 3D printing as much as I am, you've got to check out PCBWay, perfect for adding LEDs and even full control systems to your 3D printed builds. They also do CNC machining, resin printing, and injection molding. So if you're trying to take your static models and turn them into full-on moving machines, and right now is the perfect time. PCBWay is celebrating their 11th anniversary with a huge sale running until July 18th. Hit the link in the description to check out the deals and level up your next project. Now that all the parts are painted and ready, it's finally time to assemble this Jaeger. Can't wait to see it all come together. Like Voltron, but with more arm blades. This whole build has been a solid learning experience. I really think even just a little bit of paint added a ton of character to the model. Drop a comment below if you've got painting advice, model horror stories, or just want to roast my first attempt. I can take it, probably.
Next time on 3D Print Therapy. RX-78-2. 3D printed to perfection.